Now let's take a look at surface area of a square pyramid. Once again, let me remind you that surface area is dealing with the outside. And since we're dealing with a square pyramid, just know that all the bases will always be a square for anything you're assessed on. But in order to do this, you need to find the sum of the areas of the 4 congruent triangles and the area of the base. This one is significantly easier and has a lot less work than the triangular prism or the rectangular prism because the 4 triangles are the same and your base is always a square. Therefore, we're going to deal first with the 4 triangles. So here we have a square pyramid. For those that need to see the base, I'm going to shade it in for you. So this is a pyramid that's been turned upside down. And then we have the 4 triangles. For the 4 triangles, we know we're going to do base and height of the triangle, which will be 3 times 5 divided by 2, which is going to equal 7.5, but there's 4 of them. So we end up with a total area of 30 inches squared for the 4 triangles. For the base, it's a square. We do length times width, and we get 9 inches squared. To get this total area, we add the 4 triangles area plus the area of the base, giving us 39 inches squared. Pretty easy, right? Now let's take a look at the second one. Again, if you're having trouble seeing the base, think of it as we're sitting underneath the pyramid and we're looking straight up at it. So it's kind of projecting outward, or you can think it's been tipped on its side and we're staring at the bottom, looking out over it. The first thing we have to do is the area for the 4 triangles. Base and height, we locate that right angle box. So we know we're going to say 5 times 7 divided by 2. And that's going to equal 17.5. But there's 4 triangles, so we multiply by 4. And we end up with 70 meters squared. Then we go and do our square base, which is length times width, so 5 by 5, which is 25 meters squared. And then all we are asked to do is to find the sum. So we add 70 plus 25, and that's going to equal 95 meters squared.